Hello and welcome to Summer School 2020. I am very excited to be doing some summer school work with you. This is day 1. We're going to start day 1 with the worksheet. At the top of the worksheet, we've got some fact families. Our directions are: use each fact family to write 2 addition and 2 subtraction number sentences. We've done this in class. We called it Math Magic. We start with 3 numbers. In this case, it's 13, 8, and 5. And we will write 4 number sentences, 2 addition, 2 subtraction, using these 3 numbers. The first number sentence is done for us. 8 plus 5 equals 13. If you notice, with the addition problems, the biggest number goes at the end of the sentence. So 13 goes at the end of the sentence. Next, we have another addition number sentence. Since it's addition, our biggest number, 13, will go at the end of the sentence. Now, we just need to switch the 5 and the 8. So now we have a brand new number sentence. 5 plus 8 equals 13. And that is also a true number sentence. Next, we have a subtraction sentence. In a subtraction sentence, the biggest number in our fact family will go first. So that will be the 13. We can use either the 8 or the 5 next. So we'll use the 8. And last of all, we just put in the 5. So our number sentence is 13 take away 8 equals 5. Last number sentence for this fact family, we have subtraction. So our biggest number goes first, 13. And we just need to switch around the 8 and the 5. So our 5 will go first, and then the 8. 13 take away 5 equals 8. Great job! We finished our first fact family. We'll go on to the next one. Our 3 numbers are 12, 5, and 7. Our first number sentence is addition. So the biggest number in the fact family goes last, and that's our 12. Next, we can put either the 5 or the 7 first. I will put the 5 first, and then the 7. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Great job. Next, we have another addition sentence. So our biggest number in the fact family goes last, that's 12. Then we need to switch the 5 and the 7 around. So we will put the 7 first and then the 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Great. We have 2 subtraction sentences now. So we know that the biggest number in the fact family will go first. That's 12. Take away, we can put the 5 or the 7. We'll put 5 and then our 7. So 12 take away 5 equals 7. We have one more subtraction sentence for this fact family. So our biggest number, 12, goes first. Then we need to switch the 5 and the 7. So we'll put 7 first this time and then 5. 12 take away 7 equals 5. Great. One more fact family. 14, 8, and 6. Here are our 4 number sentences. First is addition. Biggest number goes last, and that is 14. Good job. Next, we fill in our 8 and our 6. Either one can go first. I'll put 8 first and then 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14. We have another addition sentence, so we put that big number last, and we switch the 8 and the 6 around. So we've got the 6 first and the 8. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Now 2 subtraction sentences. With subtraction, our biggest number goes first. 14. Good job. Then we fill in our 8 and our 6. 14 take away 8 equals 6. And one more subtraction problem. Our biggest number goes first. Then we switch the 8 and the 6 around. So 14 take away 6 equals 8. Super. We're going to go to the next part. Get things ready here. All right. The directions for this section are to write each word from the word bank under the word that has the same vowel sound. So we are listening for the vowel sound in the word. They're either going to sound like O, like in nose, or this is the short O sound, as in pop. Ah is short O. O, like in nose, is long O. Ah, like in pop, is short O. Let's look at the word bank. The first word is coat. Coat. Is that long O, like in nose, or short O, like in pop? It's long O. So we write coat. And we can cross that off. Next we have rock. Is the O long O? Rock. Rock. Does it make the O sound or the ah sound? Rock. Pop. It's the short O sound. Cross it off. Next we have the word drove. Drove. That sounds like nose. Drove, nose. It's a long O. Next is the word rope. Rope. The O sounds like the O in nose. Rope, nose. Long O sound. So it goes here. Next we have the word fox. Fox. Ah. So the ah in fox sounds like the ah in pop. So fox goes over here. Next is the word those. 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 Those sounds like nose. So it goes here. Cross it out. Next we have the word job. Job. The O makes the short O sound, which is ah. Job, like in pop. So we write job here. One more. Top. Top. Sounds like pop. Ah. Ah. Short O sound. All right. You did it. We are done with the short O and the long O sound. I'm going to turn the paper over to the other side. And here we have tables. We can also call these functions. Each table, the directions are complete each table. Each table has a rule that you're going to follow. For this table, it's add 10. So you're going to add 10 to each of these numbers. The first one is done for you. 5 plus 10 equals 15. Next, we're going to do the same thing with 8. 8 plus 10 equals 18. Good job. Next, we're going to add 10 to the number 7. 7 plus 10 equals 17. Excellent. Next one, 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10. 19. Great. If you notice the pattern, whenever you add 10, you just end up putting a 1 in front of the single digit number. So now we're at 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. See how we just have a 1 in front of the 3, the single digit number? Last one, 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. Great. That table is done. Next one, the rule is add 8. We are going to add 8 to the number 2. 2 plus 8. 10. Super. Next, 6 plus 8 is 14. Great job. 4 plus 8 is 12. 7 plus 8 15. Super. 3 plus 8 11. And last one, 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. We finished that table. One more. This table has the rule add 6. So we are going to add 6 to each of these numbers. We'll start with 10. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Next one, 6 plus 6. 12. Now, if you were doing this on your own and you needed to use a number line or manipulatives, that is perfectly fine. Next, we have 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Great job. Next we have 7 plus 6. 13. Yes. And we have 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Yes. And we have 5 plus 6 is 11. Yay! We are done with the math tables or the functions. We have one more activity for day 1. In this activity, the directions are: circle the word that is spelled correctly in each row. I'm going to use this here. All right, so remember, we're going to circle the word that is spelled correctly. We have the word can't. Which one is right for can't? It's this one. Good job. C-A-N apostrophe T. That is the correct way to spell can't. Next, easy. Which one is the correct way to spell easy? Right here. E-A-S-Y. Easy. Next we have the word key. Which one is the correct way to spell key? Right here in the middle. K-E-Y. Key. Like a key that you use to open a door. Next is the word buy. Now this word buy means the kind of buy like you buy something at the store. Which way is the correct way to spell buy, like you buy something? The first one. Good job. B-U-Y. All right. Next is the word light. Which one is the correct way to spell light? It's the middle one. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Let's move along here. Next is the word once, like once upon a time. Which one spells once correctly? this one? O-N-C-E, once. And here we have the word carry, like I carry something in my arms. Which one spells carry correctly? It's this one. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Next is the word your, like you are going somewhere, you're going somewhere. Is it this, or this? It's the first one. Y-O-U''R-E, your. That's a contraction. It means we squished two words together. And here we have the word star. Which one is correct? It's this one. Great job. S-T-A-R, super. Here we have the word funny. Which one is correct? Right here in the middle. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. And that's it. That is the last of the work for day 1 of summer school. Thanks for joining me.